거예요. 여러 번 끝났어요.
Yeah, there's like 20,000 people in front of us. It's going to be a while before we go.
I'm actually kind of surprised you showed up. I mean that in a good way. I just didn't know that you had training after you moved out.
Yeah, got up at 6 a.m. every morning.
And you got the time off from work. Because usually,
Hey, I'm here. Okay?
10 years at the agency, I could never get a meeting with the DCS. And now he drives all the way out here to Petersburg just to see me.
Backslide. The face of a traitor.
You know, I figured that sort of reductive jingoism might be beneath you.
What do you call a CIA analyst convicted on 12 counts of treason? A patriot?
Yeah, he came all the way out here just to insult me.
Does the name Yuri Trubachev mean anything to you?
Yeah, he's a top engineer for the Russian nuclear program. He was a CIA asset since the end of the Cold War.
You know he was murdered yesterday in Red Square.
Didn't exactly allow me to search the web around here.
There are only 12 people at the agency that know Trubachev was a CIA asset. I'm looking for information on how his identity could have been compromised.
I spend 23 hours a day walking around a 68-square-foot room, and I can count on one hand the number of human beings that I have spoken to in the last year. So if you're looking for someone with their ear to the ground, I'm afraid you come to the wrong place.
Forgive me if I don't weep with sympathy for your living conditions.
It's funny, you know. An American sells a secret to the Russians, he's a traitor, but a Russian sells secrets to us, and he's a hero.
And a man who sells out his agency is a prisoner. Have a nice life.
I'm sure it helped.
Joe, call in your team. Langford doesn't just know something about this murder. He's behind it.
Insurance customer service reps. How can you tell whose are the nicest? Well, our competitors seem friendly. And at 21st Century, so does ours. See, puppies don't lie. But drivers who switch from Geico to 21st Century